that orange peel anymore on the surface. So what I'm going to do next is apply a very fine grade steel wool, and this is super fine grade steel wool. You normally pick this up at your local hardware, and I'm just going to start polishing the top of the guitar, just using a circular motion. Now a lot of people aren't huge fans of using steel wool, and that's understandable. It leaves a lot of fibers on the guitar, and especially if you're going to follow up polishing or using a buffing wheel or machinery of any kind, you're going to be applying a lot of heat in small areas on the body. If you've got any of those fibers remaining on the guitar, they're going to heat up and embed themselves in the paint basically. So you do need to clean the guitar up very carefully after you use it. That includes your cavities as well. You'll find a lot of fibers in your cavities when you go to turn the guitar over. It's going to get onto your work area. And also bear in mind, your pickups are essentially magnets, so any loose fibers are going to be drawn to those. So once you're finished, as I said, steel wool is certainly something I use, but you do want to make sure you clean it up well after you finish with it. And if you like a matte finish, you could pretty much leave things there. We're going to polish the guitar though now and bring back, or get that glossy, reflective look to the paint. So I've got a couple of grades of car polish here. I've got a heavy duty cutting compound and a superfine, and I'm going to just apply some of this heavy grade stuff to the body. Definitely want to make sure you've cleaned all those fibers from the steel wool in the previous step as well. So I'm just doing a small section. I'll work a section at a time just so I can compare how the guitar's looking to the areas that we haven't worked on yet. And I'll probably go over the whole guitar 3 times with each grade of cutting compound. And you'll be surprised how much of a glossy look we can get to the paint when we're done. You can already see that's starting to change there, and that's just after one application really. So you can see that reflective glossy finish is starting to come back to the guitar now. That's after 3 applications of the heavier cutting compound. So I'm going to move to the finer grade now, just to finish things off. Again, I'm just going to work a section at a time, just so I can compare what I'm doing to what's yet to be done. So really from here, I'm just going to polish till I'm happy with the look of the guitar. So really you could probably pretty much take things as far as you want from this point. Okay, so we've got a fair bit of hardware